G'day, comrade, and welcome back to the Republic with me, Jenny. In our last episode, we got a whole lot of the construction offices upgraded to bigger and better vehicles for more efficient construction. With our more efficient construction, well, we started building out the iron half of our wonderful steel mill, so we start getting some raw iron, so eventually we get to steel. At the same time, with our brand new and much more efficient construction offices, well, we started building the other half of Spuggrad, which has led us to a small problem, a small traffic issue, just a minor one that we can probably solve. But I think our biggest issue when it comes to construction is just delivery times. Obviously, if we could just take all our construction offices, our construction materials, and fly them to where they needed to go, well, that would probably be a whole lot easier. So I want to upgrade today all our trucks into flying trucks. Flying trucks, I think, is going to be the answer. We need flying trucks so we can make our construction a whole lot faster with, well, flying vehicles. But before I get to that, I need to ask a question. And of course, that question is, well, can I borrow a like? I just like to borrow a like. I like to borrow a like, not for the good of the Republic, but for the good of the traffic flow. If you didn't enjoy the video, you didn't think it was worth your like, by all means, you can have it back. But then I need you to stand in this crossroad. I need you to be in charge of all the traffic. All right, first thing we need to do is definitely enable the crossroad in that direction. That's going to be the main road. Yeah, that'll hopefully help. All right, second thing I need to do before we get too sidetracked is we still have our little our little joint here. Our little joint here that lets me do all sorts of wonderful construction things with the construction trains. And we did electrify some of these train tracks, but I want to electrify the whole lot. We're going to start at this end and get all three of those done. And also I'm going to do... yeah, all of that. And autosave straight away. Cool. We're going to do all of that. Can I... one of you was already assigned to the construction office. You were. Can I make sure the construction office knows about this job and this job and this job and this job and this job? Also, can I make sure they know about this job, this job, and this job? Yeah, I want to electrify everything whilst we're here. We had to get our metro trains, Mr. PGP's off and running, obviously. We had to get our metro trains delivered by a diesel train. But if I had all the tracks electrified, that would make life so much easier. Also means I wouldn't have to worry about fuel stations. So it's something I definitely want to look at. I don't think that traffic jam's actually a traffic jam. Cool. All right, that's the first thing I want to do. Second thing I want to do is I definitely want to have flying construction vehicles. So we're going to come to here because here is where we did plan ahead a little bit, and we did decide to make sure that we had some heliports so we could pick up materials. And I want to have you, and you all enabled. And I want to get into, well, the flying construction vehicles. Yep, because under the construction industry, we have the helicopter construction industry. Construction office. There we go. And you support 2 helicopters plus 12 vehicles. Which is fine. We can pop down one of these, then we can take vehicles in here, and then we can have some vehicles help and helicopters deliver. Also, I can have helicopters deliver vehicles, which is very, very handy. But I have a different plan. We're going to put you just there for the moment, because every single time I go into airports and add one of these beside one of those, that just lets me have, well, 3 extra helicopters. And I think that's going to be our answer. I just want all the helicopters. I'm going to have, well, 2 helicopter bays plus another 3, 6, 9, 12. 12. Yeah, 12. 12's going to be the plan. So I want to grab you. I want to make sure our fuel just sticks out slightly. Okay, with you placed, in theory, these 2 are connected, but to confirm, we're going to reattach that, plus attach one on this side, plus attach one here, and then attach one there. Yeah, that's going to be the plan. It's a little bit much, maybe, but if anything's proven, if I've proven anything so far, it's, well, I'm always happy to speed up construction in any way, shape, or form. So we're going to bring a dirt road, because why the hell not? We're going to always upgrade it after the fact. Can I cancel that? Bring up a dirt road. Can I bring it out straight first? Then get my curve into there? It's like so close, but yet so far. Yeah, 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 yeah. There. Okay, that'll do. Plug you in. We're gonna take you into that road. We'll bring you down to... Oh, that would have been so nice. I guess you're gonna have to come to there. Alright, take it around the back. Come. Yeah. No, Jetty. No, Jetty. Okay, we're gonna go from there to there. Can I just stretch this out? Yeah, that looks pretty straight. And there. Okay. We're going to get that built. Now, helicopter's going to use a whole lot of fuel. Consequently, if we look at our liquids and we click on this, it has a direct fuel connection. So, I'm lucky enough that we have a whole bunch of fuel right here. The problem is, well, actually, we have a pump right there. Too long. Okay. All right. We can fix that. Can I put a pump? Actually, there. Can I get a road? Cancel roads. Trim that back a little bit. Okay, it's that'll do. Great. Can I get that built? And can I also get liquids underground pipe from here to here? And then can I get a pipe from here to, of course, you run into the other pipe. Can I get you to go -3 meters and then into there? Yeah, that's gonna be our plan. Can I approve that? And can we get that enabled? All right. Yeah, this is gonna give me 1 heliport, and 1 heliport's good, but 2 heliport would be better. Yeah, that's definitely my verdict. And if I put you... Okay, let's just put you here temporarily. And if I put you... Okay, now let's put you here with your fuel going to the left. And then 1 of them, and okay. Oh, actually, 1 of them and 1 of them. Yeah, that works. Okay, can I straighten these up a little bit? So we're gonna put a heliport there and a heliport there. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. And we're going to intentionally disconnect that road so you guys don't get built just yet. All right, I want to have you built. Okay, on top of that, traffic problems. I have an awful lot of traffic that's all coming in here to help pick up, well, asphalt, concrete, prefab panels, cement, all this sort of stuff. So what I was thinking, also I have an awful lot of vehicles right here that are doing, well, gravel pickup. Yeah, because I now have 2 construction offices full of dumpers to pick up gravel or to pick up asphalt. So what I'm thinking is, first off, cancel this footpath. I don't really need this footpath. Now we've upgraded a whole bunch of the roads to asphalt. If I click on you, people can just walk straight here from the bus stop. So I don't actually need that path there anymore. And if I remove that, I should be able to get a second gravel loader in here. And we're just going to have 1 construction office aim at 1 of them, 1 aim at the other. We'll split the loads 50-50. And as we have the deconstruction office right here, I'm going to get this will get picked up very, very quickly. In fact, it's 2 garbage trucks worth of material. So, oh wow, you guys are so much faster. Oh wow. I like the new excavators. Cool. You should have 2 dump trucks on the way. Hello, scroll. And a microbus. Well, the microbus can go home. Cool. Oh wow, it's gonna be done. Well, that didn't take long. It's down dirt. I want to cancel that. We're going to put you here. Yeah. And then we'll build you. And just to confirm, you guys can still definitely walk to work. All right. Done. Oh, actually. You don't have a helicopter station. Can I get you a helicopter station? Matter of interest. Okay. Apart from getting a road in there, the answer is yes. Okay, let's put you here. Hadn't planned to give this one a helicopter, but, you know, everybody else has helicopters. Can I go... Okay. If I twist this slightly, airplanes, heliport, that technically connects. And that's all I need. I just need you to connect on a technicality. That actually works. Okay, we're going to build that as well. All right. Also, can I prove that and have that put in as well? Stop production. I don't know what it was. Don't care. All right. You're going to have a heliport. All right. So, we have a heliport now for bricks, one for prefabs, one for concrete, one for asphalt, but I also don't have one for gravel. Which brings me on to my next problem. I have a small situation over here where we have you running flat out. You're making quarried stone. You are running flat out with potentially 15 workers, you know, providing the workers actually show up on time, making gravel. Plus you're making gravel, plus you're making gravel. All the gravel is being shipped around the outside to here. Also to that, we're adding construction waste, which gives us more gravel. And then the gravel's coming out, jumping onto this conveyor, and coming here. And you full on gravel, so you're fine. You don't need gravel. You don't have any gravel, which is a problem because we could technically be making cement faster if I had more gravel. You're full on gravel and you're full on gravel. So we're definitely short by some amount. And as you can see, like it all fluctuates. It all fluctuates up and down. But overall, I don't have enough. Now, one of the things I do need to do is you. I need to get gravel into well, the helicopters. If we're gonna have a helicopter construction office, we move around a lot of gravel. We do a lot of things with gravel, and I could potentially break down this conveyor here and rebuild it with like a junction, so we could put a heliport here. But what I was thinking instead is if I go on aggregates and I go with a in and out, I guess, in that orientation. I just saw you connect. Do it again. Yeah, like that. Oh, like that. Hello? Like that. I want you as far this way as possible. Okay, if I do that, and actually we won't give you a connection just yet, and then can I go to, I prefer these ones. I prefer these ones just on the fact that they have 2 road connections, so I can connect from either left or right. Can I get you? Ooh, I like that one. Can you angle that way slightly? Okay. If I get you to go there, then I can, wow. Come on, you can do it. There. Okay, hang on, we should probably work backward. Actually, that's essentially what I want. Come back, I saw the connection. Yeah, there. Can I go far left? I don't need that. Can I get you a road? Yes, with ease. Okay. Can I go from you? I need to go to that roundabout because the reason I haven't done this earlier is my roads are 3 wide, and 3 wide is too wide to get, well, a conveyor across. They need to have supports more often than I have road segments. Well, I have gaps in my roads. So it was maybe a flaw with how I built things. By the same token, I've been pretty happy with my highways. Okay, can I build you like right there? Okay. can I get one to connect? Oh my god. Done. Okay. I don't want that. Cancel road. That. Please tell me that wasn't cancelled. Are you one way? Okay. Hello? Two way. One way. Okay, it just has to connect you. Because we interfaced with it for just 1 second. And now vehicles are on it all the time. And now I can't remove that. Actually, if I do that, that'll stop vehicles. And if you get off the highway, I can then join them back together. You're going the wrong... Alright, one problem at a time. Okay, can I get a dirt road? Can I get a dirt road off this roundabout like that? That works for me. Beautiful. That's technically correct. Can I get... No, I didn't mean to do that. Cancel. I was trying to say you are connected to the right-hand side. Yeah, okay. Alright, so, you're built. People are now going around. Excellent. If I do that, I can't do that. That's what I sort of expect. Alright, so can I have the game paused? Okay, that like that, and then I can do that, and that becomes one long section again, and then we're good. Alright, so, back to this problem. Alright. Oh, they're building that half. Okay. They're building the conveyor. Okay, so you can get a road to there. I'm happy there. You need a road, and you will need a road. And you'll need a road as well. Okay. Can I get a heliport? Let's go with the heliport. The heliport can go... flip. Flip. Heliport can go here. So if I put the heliport there, we can then do a dirt road. Yeah, dirt road from there to there, plus you, and plus, no, you. Yeah, that works for me. Okay, can I get that built? 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 And can I get that built? Alright, buildings are on fire. Buildings are always on fire. Is it an important building? It's the wood cutting post. Well, it's now under reconstruction because it's obviously got too much wear and tear because they lit it on fire. Alright, so with that done, let's just quick double check. So you have power. You don't have power. That's unfortunate. You have power. No power, no power. You do have power. Probably have power. Definitely have power. Alright, so we're going to have to get power over here. Can I get a substation? That's not a substation. That's a water station. Substation. Alright. I need to power that conveyor, and that conveyor, which means right here actually works beautifully. Can I throw you there? And then I will probably not regret this in the future. We're just going to throw an underground wire because this should be very, very low voltage. Closest power connection is what our power just here somewhere. I do, right there. We're gonna take that and plug that into that one. Nope, we're gonna run that to 6 meters deep. Sounds good to me. And then plug that in there and approve that too. Right, can I get that and that built as well? I'll just upgrade the roads in the future to... Ooh. Actually, pause. Can I cancel and cancel? Because you're not directly connected with storage, you may not be able to fully load a vehicle. 800 tons, 180 tons, 1,000 tons. I don't really want 1,000 tons. It's a little bit overkill. By the same token, overkill is fine, although this is slightly cheaper. 870 tons is fine. Like, all the stats are the same, apart from... Technically this, I can bring vehicles into as well. I don't see it ever being a situation where I want to or need to. The other one's long. We could build you in that orientation. I could remove that, remove that, remove that. There's a vehicle on that. Okay, I can't remove that just yet. That way. And then bring this out and around. Plug that in there. Plug that in there. Yeah, I don't want to have a situation where a helicopter's using a whole lot of fuel and only carrying like 3 tons, because that's all that happened to be fed in on the conveyors at the time. Because, where are we? Helicopters, heliport for cargo, helicopter cargo ports. You don't technically, so the only storage you have is for fuel. Yeah, okay, we're just gonna go and build a private storage. Again, I don't need it, I don't think, but it doesn't really hurt. Yeah, it's something else that needs maintenance and stuff, but I think that that ships out. All right, so this will let us get gravel to here from our main gravel storage, which means, well, I should be able to make cement faster, and I should be generally a happier boy. All right, on top of that, can I get... Oh, does this have power? Actually, well, it does have power. It will need power. Yeah. Can I get you set to 0 workers? Because we need to get that road just upgraded. We're just going to upgrade all the roads afterwards, after things are built. And you're going to have a pipe in there. Now, second helicopter office definitely would require a second pipe. Come on, pipe. But if I place that, they're going to start building it. I don't need it built, so we'll worry about that later. Traffic jam. That's the same traffic jam. That's not a traffic jam. Okay. All right, so step number 1. Step number 1 is I want to start flying in materials, because that sounds like a great idea to me. Can I get that built? And can I also get that built? We're going to set you to 0 workers. We're going to set you to 0 workers. Speaking of roads and generally traffic problems, you're almost done. What I want to do is... What I want to do is... What I want to do is... You have 80 kilometers per hour. You are 62. You're 87. 87 with... How many does the JE carry? JE carries 26 firefighters compared to 35 firefighters. Okay, we're going to get rid of you. Another one off for a final story, final service. And can I get sort by speed? All right, helicopters. So up until now, I've been buying a whole lot of the MI-10 cargos. The cargos have the advantage of, well, they can carry around cargo. The MI-10 can't carry around cargo. You have a 4,767 litre fire bucket water capacity. You have the exact same. No, you have 30 extra litres. 30 litres. Yes. You have a top speed of 305. You have a top speed of 280. You're more expensive for carrying less water. Huh? Width 8, length 33. Width 15, length 33. You're twice as wide and carry technically less water. And technically also cost me more rubles. You have a speed of 225, which should be fine, but fires are bad. So I'd prefer not to have fires, so I guess we're just going to keep buying cargo helicopters. Alright. I can't buy any helicopters for this until it's built. Okay. What I can do is I can upgrade that road as well. Can I get that done? Can I set you to 0 workers? And we should be good. Alright. What I was trying to say is... Sure, we can get that one done as well. Oh, you guys are going to need fuel. Can I get this fuel bar, guys, to storage side? Alright. What I need to do is we have a lot of vehicles, an awful lot of vehicles coming in here and going in here to get, well, supplies for construction. What I want to do is I want to put in a slip lane. I want to grab a one-way road, which has a top speed of 110, whereas our asphalt road still has a speed of 110, whatever. It's good enough. And we don't need these two roundabout roads. Okay, can I get rid of you? And can I get rid of you? All right, with that done, can I have a connection from here out to here? Cool. Then we're going to go in a very straight-ish line all the way up to, say, here. And then I want you... I still like you go straight. Like, that'd be perfect. My other option, I come in here. I'm going to then interfere with your connection should I build you. Okay. We're going to go in here. Yeah, I'm going to connect into there. Can I connect that together so it's one long road? And we're going to batch start that as well. I'm going to build that. I'm going to set you to 0 vehicles or 0 people. That way it's just done with machinery. But yes, we're going to put in an express lane right the way down the side. So we can have the construction vehicles come from here halfway around the roundabout, jump on the express lane, which will let them skip this roundabout entirely, these train tracks entirely, and jump off here. Do I want an express lane coming back? Not really, sort of. No. We're not going to have an express lane coming back. All right, so we're going to get those done. You're going to take a minute to get done. This will all take a minute to get done. As soon as these are done, I'll go through, well, when they're done, I'll go through and build the roads proper. Till then, we'll call that good enough, and we'll move on to the next project. Okay, yeah, I bought you a helicopter. It's just, like, yeah, I guess helicopters don't need a road. Okay, all right, next thing I need to do is metros. We still have one metro to pick up. We have a confused track builder. Go home. Can I click on Vladivostok? We have one more metro to go pick up, so you can make another route, another loop, and oh, cool. This is the joy of realistic. The only way to get rid of that is with a track builder. So I need to build track from there to there. Yep. Can I approve that? So I can get out here. So I can remove this little bit. So then I can remove the track that I just laid. Cool. Wow. Everything's electrified. Okay, can I get this added to the construction list? So then we can get that little bit added to the deconstruction list. And at the same time, can I just put you to one side? Because I want to electrify that, and that. Can I add that, and that to the construction list? All right. So with those added, you should be able to get all of this electrified next. we have... So, what we've done is we have this section has been electrified mostly. Mostly. But they're not actually hooked into the power grid yet. So that's probably the next step. Next step is definitely plug you into the power grid, which is train tracks, railroad electric connection, underground. Incinerator power plant. I don't want to notify. I don't care. You're gonna be the same. That's general separation. That's incinerator. I don't want to know about it. And you... Wow, hang on. No, you're still being built. But you're about to have all the materials on site. Can I set you to like 100 people? All right, so back to this. All right, so rail. I want... That's electric, that's underground, that's underground, that's underground. We're going to go with this one. And I have power plant here and a power plant here. So right there looks very, very good to me. Can I... Okay, can I remove... cancel railway? Okay, you're on the train tracks. I guess we can wait for you to get to the end. I really hope that's not where you are. You're definitely not on the train tracks. And you're traveling. And using fuel. I don't know where you are. Oh. That's where you are. Okay, so now you're ethereal again, or ethereal again. I don't know. You exist again. Yeah, can you just finish this little bit, please? And then if you bugger off the tracks, I'll then know which section I want to deconstruct, and then I can get that part deconstructed, and then we can... Yeah. Well, hook it up to power. I'm just going to plug it in both power plants. I'm also going to plug it in the external grid. So, I spent a little bit of time following these power connections and... these power connections. All right. This is a 5-way switch. The 5-way switch has 2 connections from, 1 from each power station, and then off to 3 substations. This has the exact same as 2, 1 from each of the 2 power plants, and then 3 off to external connections. Which technically means that whatever those substations are plugged into is only powered from these 2 coal power plants, not powered from the external network, which is a problem. So, first thing I want to do is finish off this thought process with train tracks. Can I remove... Oh, fine. Can I remove that part? Alright, can I go to you? Can I go to you? Can I confirm that there's plenty of space, I hope? And cancel railway. There to there. Okay. Can we... Oh. It's now unassigned. Well, that's all electrified. Can I go to electrify that part? Yeah, okay. And the problem is the construction office is too far away. Alright, can I get the construction office? Can I get you... Oh, you're building that section over there. I could have found that section. Alright. Can I get you to build this, this, and this? And that should get all of that electrified. Also, at the same time, I want you to deconstruct that and that. You're going to set to high priority. You're going to be set to high priority as well. Oh. Yeah. I need that finished. Which still needs some odds and ends dropped off. I don't know how it's not complete, but we're just going to roll with it. Okay, then I can put power in here. All right, once we have power in there, I'll be happy. Meanwhile, I need to definitely work out some way of getting, well, I need to have a transformer down here hooked into the main network, so let's start with that. Can I get a transformer? I'm going to plug you here. Okay, can I throw a dirt road on you for now? And then we're going to upgrade it to something a little bit finer later. Yeah, I saw you flash. Do it again. Okay. Can I cancel road? Trim that back. Okay. Power transformer there. Yep, that tool's not going to work. Traffic jam. What is your problem? We just have an awful lot of biological. Okay. I should check on you. You have 200 workers. It's okay so far. Oh, you're built. Oh, well, if you're built, can I get a copy your settings to you and you and you and you, and if I hold control, you'll leave and we can have another one on the track. And we send Mr. Piggy back to his starting location. I need you to go to here. You can go live there instead. And oh, you're done. Well, if you're done, can I get you buy new vehicles? Cargo helicopters. Yes, I'd like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There goes 7 million rubles. It's fine. I definitely want to mark you as don't build, because now we have helicopters, which can just go out and build things randomly, whether they have a road connection or not, which is dangerous. Oh, also, can I assign this construction office? That sounds like a great idea. And you should have fuel. Not quite, because that pipe's not done. Can I set that to high priority, please? Because I want to sort of... Oh, yeah. That solves problems. All right. You are going to get asphalt from there. You're going to get concrete from there. You're going to get prefabs from there. You're going to get bricks from there. We're going to enable you 3,000 meters. I'm not going to get you to do reconstruction because I think that's just a little bit too much. You should be able to get gravel from there. Yeah, I mean gravel. Because the power wire's not done. So you're not running, you are running. Okay, can I get... actually, let's just asphalt. Can I asphalt that one? Can I asphalt that one? Can I asphalt that one? And that one. Oh, bugger. Demolish. Okay. Can I asphalt... okay, no, the power's in and done. Can I... asphalt that please and that please. All right, so construction office, site construction mode. There we go. I want to have that and that done. I'm going to set you to 0 workers. We're going to set you to 0 workers. Set you also 0 workers. 0 workers and 0 workers. Now, these heliports can have fuel on site, which is definitely something I want to set up. So we have the Build North fuel rats. We're going to have fuel dropped off here, and I'm going to have fuel dropped here. Okay, not there and there. Okay, I'll accept that. They're all on unload fuel, and unload fuel. Now that that's set up, now I will upgrade that road. Cool. Can I set you to 0 as well? All right. So you are going to need to be able to come here for gravel. We've done that. So I don't have access to boards or steel. Okay, steel we'll work on in a minute. Boards. Can I get a heliport? Can I put a heliport? Yeah, there. Beautiful. Can I get that built? Yeah. That'll give us access to helicopters there as well. Well, boards there as well. And I can then set up fuel here as well. And you can now see when you're doing construction, you have the squares around the outside. The squares around the outside means some of those need to be green, so you can actually have helicopters drop off materials. I have no idea how much fuel they're going to go through. I imagine it's somewhere in between a lot and an awful lot. But half amount of fuel already. The pipe is okay, it is high priority, but nobody's delivering stuff. Okay, cool. Can I get that done as well? Can I set that to 0 workers and that? And they should just deliver to the other end, I hope. That is definitely more than enough items on the way to finish off that in one hit. All right, so we have helicopters, sort of. We still need sort of power for them, but power, fuel. Back to power. I need U-built, high priority. Okay, so I need U-built. I need U-built, which is already partially enabled, and I need to get a power line from here to here. We're going to go just 15 from there to there because it's overkill approved. And how are we going to do this? What I really want is I want you and you to go into a switch, which then I can join into this switch. So then I'm going to put a priority on the internal network rather than the external network. Actually, it really doesn't matter. What we're going to do is we're going to put in a singular switch. So you're hooked into 2 power plants and you're hooked into 2 power plants. If okay, we'll come back to that. Can I get a railroad electric connection? Is that the same as the one I'm looking at building in the other panel? It is the exact same because I clicked on it and it was deselected. Okay, really? Oh, bugger. Well, that's unfortunate. Okay, we're going to build you here. I hope. Okay, can I pull this railway back to here? And this railway back to here? I was really, really hoping this would be a nice, simple, we'll just slice and join and we'll be fine. Can I also cancel that bit of railway? Now we've pulled a little bit off the end. Go back to you and can I get you to assign that one, and where's the other one? That one. Cool. Also, whilst you're here, can I do electrification? All of those. Crap. Yep, I just blocked the deconstruction. Can I set you to high priority? 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 Cool. And yes, because there's now a construction zone in front of the deconstruction zone, they can't be added. Cool. Can I just leave that there for a minute? All right, so back to power. Okay, remove that. Can I get a switch? Can I put a switch here? Can't build your infrastructure, but I can build one here-ish, here-ish, here-ish. There's power cables literally where I want to build this. Which are, hang on. They're the power cables I want to interface with. Okay, so can we rip up? How many? No, you do have 4. Okay, so I obviously have 2 coming here and 2 coming here. All right, what I want to do is, it's going to be easy to do it probably. Oh, that's where the other one is. Okay, I want to rip up you, I want to rip up you, I want to rip up you, and I want to rip up you. Yeah. Can I go to that? Assign you and you. Go. Assign you and you. Electricity problems. Yeah, because I just disconnect the whole electrical network. It's fine. We're trying to get in and do some quick fixes. You and you, and where's the hell's the other one? This one. Okay. And assign you and you. This should be really, really quick to deconstruct. Okay. Then I should be able to put a switch in here. Then I should be able to plug you into a switch, you into a switch, take that switch into this switch, that switch into that switch, and then also come from here into this switch and into that switch. And that way you're powered from the external network and the internal network. I hope. That's the plan. That bit of railway, which is the high priority one. And that's the other high priority one, which we haven't started on yet. But with you finishing that, I can at least mark one of these for decon. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Slowly. The other one's being done right now, so that meant I can mark this one for decon. Come on. 99, done. Done? There you go. Now done. Alright. So, they're going to be deconstructed in just a second. Okay. Over here. The other half of town. Alright. Can I get secret police? Can I set you to government loyalty of 70%, please? Did I do the other one? I didn't do the other one. Cool. We want to have T613s is our vehicle of choice. That's a lot of vehicles. 613, 603, 613, 160, 170. I don't need the extra speed, so we're just going to do 603s. They're black vehicles. That seems perfect for the secret police. Police station, we're going to go with the GZM21 and buy a whole heap of those. I need to, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine, you're a fuel station, you're fine, you're fine. I need to set you, whoop, there. Can I get forklifts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I also get fuel delivered to said forklifts? Seems important. You, I need to set to 80, 20, 10. 70, 20, 10. That seems like a much better number. 70, 20, 10. You are going to need to pick up from here and drop there. I need you to load. Actually, just clear. Unload. Load. Pop. You, I need to filter as well. Where's the shopping setup? Here. You need to be set up similar to this. So this is 40, 30, 10, and 20. Okay. So the one on the left, this one over here has chemicals. The one on the right is going to have booze instead. So we're going to go with 20%, 40, 30, and 10. And this train distribution office, no, that's a medium distribution office. Because we're not delivering to, well, we're not getting from the warehouse, we're getting from, or delivering to the train station. Can I have this train station now serviced as well, which is going to have unload of booze food, clothes, meat, and electronics, and 50%? 50%? Yeah, 50%. All right, so that should set up this one. You should be all done. You don't need settings. You don't need settings. You don't need settings. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. The school needs a loyalty. 70%. And that one I didn't do either. Okay. I hear an awful lot of helicopters. You have fuel. Excellent. Can I then in that case do that plus that plus that? Set you to 0, set you to 0, and set you to 0, and assign construction. Can I get you guys to help with this and 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 this? And that, it turns out, and probably that from looks of it as well. And winter's about to hit. And yeah, that's what I want to see. All the helicopters take off. Preferably not all hanging around the very same depot to do things, but sure. That should fix our cement shortage problem where deliveries were just taking forever. You guys should have rollers on the way, I hope. And you don't have fuel. Because the road out the front's still being built. Okay, that would explain it. All right, so with that done, it is this still. It is set to high priority. Up there's the construction train. Okay, and this deconstruction looks like it's been done. All right, so in here, I want to have a switch to join it together first. We come into a switch. That lets me join it together. Then I need to run it through a high priority. I don't need to run it through a high priority switch. No, we ruled that out. Okay. Can I throw that in? Can I throw a dirt path? Can I make sure the construction office knows about that problem? Can I get a bit of wire to go from you to you and you to you and then run from you to you and then run from you to you and then underground wires definitely. We're going to keep things nice and simple, and except that most of the time it's going to be powered from the coal power plants, but should something go wrong, this is literally just here for a backup. We're going to run that there and then into there, and then we're going to run that from there to there. Done. Back above ground. Can I get that built? That built. That built. That's already built. And the only thing left to do is, what's the construction office full of? Full of bricks. Can I get? No matter what, I'm gonna have a problem. We're just gonna delete some bricks. That's really the only option. And some steel. And okay, we're now done. All right. So can I get electricity? Can I get a railroad electric connection? Yeah, that's the one I want. Okay. Can I throw you? Here. Sure. Okay. Then I can go there to there, plus there to there, plus there to there, plus there to there. We can then approve that and mark that for construction. I can find the damn construction office and then apply that. I can't do those. I can set you to a high priority, you to a high priority, and you to a high priority. Okay, and we can set you to a high priority as well. I'm going to let people work on that site if they feel like it. And is it not all lit up? Dang it, everything lit up. Oh, you're built as well. This is their repair office. So can I go to you? Copy your sources to here. Yep. And you are for reconstruction mainly. So because you're for reconstruction, first thing I want to do is we're going to increase that, but I'm going to change this to 40%, 40%. All right. Second thing I'm going to do, so we have somewhere to start from, is I'm going to open this reconstruction office. All right. This is 12. This is 16. 16 gives me a couple more options. Our first option is going to be... actually, my first option is going to be open holes. Speed. Yeah. This one. I'm going to get 3 of them. So that's 1 for steel, 1 for bricks, 1 for prefabs. We're going to assume I don't need to move around too much wood, so that should be fine. So 1, 2, 3. Next I want is covered holes. You. We're going to go again 2. 1 for mechanical, 1 for electrical. All right. I'm going to get a bulldozer. Not that I need a bulldozer for reconstruction, but I'm going to have one on site anyway. I'm also going to get a excavator. Not that I need one, but I want to have one on site anyway. That way, if I need to do any groundworks, I have somebody locally to do that. All right. We're also going to need road cranes. We're going to get 2 of these guys. I'm going to need concrete. The GE 300. 1, 2, 3. I probably should have been keeping count of how many vehicles I have. So that's 12, so I have 4 slots left. With my 4 slots, I'm going to need buses. I like this bus, the KB732, because it moves at 85 kilometers and carries 85 people, which is a good even balance in my book. So we're going to get 2 of those. I don't think I've missed anything. Open, covered, bus, cranes, concrete, plus the excavator, plus the bulldozer. I think we're good. I think we're good. At least I hope so. Okay, as for everything else, so do we have iron? We have iron. You are full of iron ore. You're full of actual iron. You are processing materials. Garbage looks like it's set up. One thing I do need to do is I already bought you 2 garbage trucks. So you got 2 garbage trucks. You've got 2 garbage trucks. You have 2 garbage trucks. You have 2 trucks. You have 2 trucks and 2 trucks. I haven't done anything about these. No, bad example. These storages yet. So these storages are going to pile up with mixed waste, which is going to, in theory, be mostly ash, which will mostly blow away. But there's still going to be some mixed waste left over that I need to reprocess through the system. Haven't done anything about that yet. Need to do something about that in the not too distant future. Half the town is now built. Can we repair one of these guys? I don't really want them repaired, honestly. I sort of want them sent off to a scrap bin. Yeah, we've finished most of the groundworks here. We're going to send you guys to here. I'm definitely going to send that one, because that has some horrible, horrible diggy boys in it. That's a lot of helicopters. They're all fine. They're all fine. That's now empty. They're all fine. I have no idea where the other horrible digger went, because I'm pretty sure I had another really stupid old-fashioned one. Okay, power. I want to see... Okay, you need to come back to get the electrical plugged in. You still need to be built outright, but of course that can't happen because at the moment it's only limited to just the helicopters. And the helicopters obviously have an awful lot of deliveries to do. Did I? No, I didn't. Okay, so helicopter office. Can I make sure you have access to boards? And then Mechanical and electrical. So I can click this and I can click this, set it to be on the borders, and I can just go elsewhere to go buy them. Steel, we're buying it over the border currently, so we might as well just keep buying it over the border. It is going to be more fuel to fly to the border for things like steel, but for the moment, we're just going to roll with it. Okay, so that should do that. That should do that. I guess that you go you up for fuel. It definitely didn't say you up for fuel. Okay. But that's fine. That's fine. We're waiting on that to be rolled. They're all fine. We're waiting on those to be rolled. Concrete's the big killer. Oh, and you are now 100% full of gravel. I like it. Okay. It means I can set you to be 0 workers. You can be built. Again, 0 workers. I will add that to the queue, and we'll add that to the queue. Change to bright green? I sort of assumed that we had enough rollers. Plenty of rollers. I don't know why they're not getting sent off then. You definitely know about the jobs. It's set to 0 workers. You have a roller on the way from Spudgrab. Seems a little bit far to be driving, but okay. You don't have any rollers. So we're just at the point where we're just not dispatching vehicles. To confirm, it's definitely on the list. High priority? High priority? It's like you're only like dispatch a vehicle. Once that's done, you're done. It's finished as far as jobs concerned. Okay. And that also actually means that you should now be 100% full of gravel, so we should be making cement faster, which we should be able to export faster, which should make me more rubles. Okay. As for over here, well, they're not running because they're not full. Like, a lot of this is basically delivered. Concrete, steel. Again, you need a roller. Okay, you have power again, which means you have power, and you have power. So you don't have an external power connection yet. We're gonna have that real soon. We're gonna build that, and we're gonna get that done. Close everything, and set you to 0. That's the track builder. That now that's electrified, but you're not built. But hopefully, if I get that built the next episode, we should be able to have that electrified as well. Can I also... Okay, that should be easy. We should be able to electrify that. Also... That's a definite nightmare. Okay, I need... Never mind, you're building that right now. Okay, if that's the case, can I come here and can I swipe all of that? Okay, that's helicopter construction. I want trainee construction, who's now broken. Can I get you assigned to that job, that job, that job, that job, and that job, and that job? Okay, that should get them off on their way. They should get all that built. You do have somebody picking up your waste? That's full of trash vehicles. They're going to... Ground construction office, collect mixed waste, and... Composting, burn trash, that's a long way away. So you guys are trying to take trash from here right the way across the map. We're not going to have you do that anymore. We're going to have, at least not mixed waste. We're going to have you take mixed waste to here. Yep. And that should mean you guys spend more time on the road, hopefully getting stuff done. You do need to take hazardous waste and bio waste right the way across the map. I don't mind that. You don't need to do that either. And this Gettysburg hazardous waste. That doesn't have hazardous waste in it anymore. Other waste has hazardous waste. Okay, so you're gonna be mixed waste, and you're gonna be mixed waste too. Cool. All right, the train's dealing with the mixed waste, the truck's dealing with the local waste, and I need to get out of here so I stop wasting your time in this episode. We should be able to get the train tracks up and done fairly quickly. We should be able to get this done fairly quickly. You need to be teleported, and then you're done with. And iron's full and running. So, like, that's our next job. Getting that finished. And now we have construction helicopters. Hopefully that happens way faster. And you're also built. And I still have 2 spare vehicles. And I'm sure I'll find some use for those 2 spare vehicles. Another flatbed? I don't know. We'll wait to see when something goes to reconstruction, I think. And then we'll sort of see how the resource is being split up. But either way, I'm going to leave this video here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Do hope you enjoyed. And I do hope you enjoy our fleet of helicopters that are definitely going to speed up things in the future. Anyway, that's it. I'm out. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.